Hello, kids. For inquiry this week, we are going to have our introductory lessons on maps and map making because your final project for this unit is to make a map in our boundaries unit. And so you're going to click in here to the week 5 assignments. You're going to go down to the blue inquiry folder. And what you're going to see is a video link that says Week 5 Inquiry Maps Intro. And so it takes you to this video here, which has a lot of tips and tricks for making maps, as well as a lot of background information for what makes a map a map. And your job is going to be to make a series of maps this week. So take your time. And we are, if you notice, I've got a room map album. I meant to say room 5. I'll fix that. Room 5 is our classroom. And what you're going to do is you're going to follow the instructions in the video for how to make a map using the blank paper that was in your supplies. And after you finish each map, you're going to take a picture of the map and save the file, and then you're going to put the file into this album. So this album is going to be filled with maps by the end of the week. Notice that it doesn't say it's due today, or I want you to take your time and do the best that you can do. But I also don't want you to feel rushed by having a time limit on it. So by the end of the week, every person should have at least one map of a room in their house, but hopefully you'll have that map plus some of these other maps that she asks you to try out or get creative and do your own kind of map. But the big idea is that you learn what maps are, you learn what's on maps, you learn about using symbols to represent things on maps. You learn about making a space on your map for a map key, or another word for that is a legend, where all the symbols are explained, and that someone can actually look at the map and understand the map, because that's kind of the point of the map. It's a tool for communicating to someone who's looking at it where things are. I want you to have fun with this. I want you to also learn a lot while you're doing it, and I'm really looking forward to seeing those pictures of your map start showing up in our album. Okay, guys, have fun and do your best.